Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from property taxes document into your Google Sheets. If you go to templates and you search for property, you will find the template that is called property taxes, and using this template you can create a plugin that extracts data from property taxes document. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I clicked use template, then I choose Zapier as an output. Okay, you can choose any other tool. And in Zapier I have prepared a trigger called new file in folder. Basically it means I selected a folder where the new file will appear, and this is actually the file that I'm looking for. So let's press continue with selected record. Then the next action, we need to look for Bitskout, and here the event is called run plugin for files. That's the one. We need to choose the account, and then we need to choose the plugin, which is the most important step. In our case it is called property taxes. Here it is. And file URL, you need to choose a file exists but not shown field, just this one, nothing else. So press continue, and let's test this step. So what will happen now, the real file will be sent to Bitskout, we'll extract the data and tell Zapier what fields we actually get from this file using this plugin. Okay, so here is our data. Let's then choose Google Sheets. Okay, we need to create a spreadsheet row. Just one row, not multiple. Continue, and then the action is, let's find our spreadsheet. I have a special one for testing. The worksheet is the first one. Okay, and here what you do, you map the data from previous step from Bitskout. Let's grab account number, city, and basically you map whatever you need in your file to appear. Okay, all right, I think that's enough. Okay, let's test this step, and what will happen, the data will appear here. Here we are. So this is how you can set up a very simple Zap to extract data from all your property taxes document. If some field is missing or something is incorrect, you can always contact us, go into Bitskout and clicking on the chat. I'm always here, you can ask any questions you want. Looking forward to talking with you. Thanks a lot.